everyone. I'm Manju Taneja from RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today my topic is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense expresses the completion of action or task of the present. There are some other uses of present perfect tense. We will go with how long. I have been at work for 6 hours. Here we have shown how long I have been working. The work that has recently been completed. He has just cooked the meal. Time period that has not finished yet. She has drunk 2 cups of tea today. To describe the specific moment of the time, we have lived in this house since 2015. Now we will go with the present perfect affirmative rules. We use a present perfect to describe a recent action or ask if something has happened recently. And we also use the present perfect in case when some action or situation has an effect on the present. The rule is subject plus has a plus third form of verb plus object. Examples are Julia has made a sponge cake. He has gone to the hill station. These are the example of present perfect affirmative sentences. Now we will go with present perfect negative sentences. Here the rule is subject plus has have plus not plus verb, third form of verb plus subject. Examples are the police have not caught the thief. I have not taken the examination this month. John has not written an essay on education. These are all the examples of negative sentences. Now we will go with the rules of present perfect interrogative sentences. The rule is has have plus subject plus not plus third form of verb plus object. It will always followed by a question mark. Some examples are have the flowers been plucked? Have our leaders worked for the prosperity of our country? Have you spent holidays on the beach? These are all the examples of interrogative sentences of perfect tense, present perfect tense. This was all about present perfect tense. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. And please subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics. Thank you once again.